I got my truck over there blocking traffic. This truck just rolled over right in front of me. You guys good?
Stay put. Nobody move, just stay put. You fine.
You good?
You fine. Just stay. Yeah. Don't move your legs, sir. No. I know. Just stay put. Just stay put and stay calm. I'm here with you, okay?
You got 2 pinned down in there. Roll over, 2 pinned down. She's really bad.
Okay.
Right over there.
Your leg is
right
stuck.
here. Right here. All right, so you got 2 occupants. She's pinned down on that other side underneath. There's a woman, there's a male, okay? Well, there's not much I can do, so I'm just gonna go ahead and let the professionals do what they do and just get on my way with my tow. But DOT law states that, you know, and the law says you just gotta basically just render aid and not really mess with the scene too much. So that's what happens. That's trucking for you, man. This is the second time I've seen something like this happen. So God bless her heart. I hope she makes it home to her cat. I'm gonna go ahead and sneak out of here because I got to get a call done. The professionals are here. They're gonna do what they do, and I need to continue on what I got to do. But my heart goes out to the people in the cab of that truck, and hopefully they make it. They made it. Looks like they got it turned over, and there's the car that started the mess, and then they got it turned over. So we got a couple different tow companies out there getting it rolled over.